Hello, hello. Today we will be cloning a GitHub repository to create a Flask API using Python. So what you want to do is open your terminal. It's this application right here. Then go to this link, github.com, mtrejo0 flask-heroku/API. And then you're going to clone this repository. You do that by clicking this button, and then you will probably use HTTPS. I use SSH because I own this repo and I can edit it. But you will do git clone and then the special link that is where we just talked about. And once you do git clone, it will run and then we will be here. Then you will change directory cd into Flask Heroku API. Now that you're in, you're going to run these two commands. This command creates a virtual environment and it activates the virtual environment. A virtual environment is like where the Python environment will be with all the packages that we need for that environment. So in requirements.txt, this is the file that is in the repository. You will install all of them using this command, pip3 install requirements. So once we paste both of those commands, it will look like this. It'll finish running. And then since we have all the packages and the environment is running, we can run the application. So we can do python 3 app.py, and then it says it's running at this link. So when we go to that link, I specified 8080 as a port because 5000, the default for Flask, works a little weird on Macs. So it's at this port for now. And you can see the origin / it works. So that's exciting. If we want to push this to Heroku, we need a new terminal. So go to your terminal window and make a new tab, or you can do Command T. Then you're going to log into Heroku if you haven't already logged in by running this command. If you don't have Heroku, you're going to have to download it. But once you have downloaded and logged in, you can do Heroku Create, which will create a Heroku instance for you. You can do Heroku Create an app name if you want a specific name. Otherwise, if you just want to be lazy and get a random name, you can get Rocky Fortress and then a number, and it says this is a link, and it will add a new origin to your GitHub remotes for this repository. So it'll have a remote to the GitHub that I created, and it'll have a remote to this Heroku. So once you git push, you don't have to git add, so you can ignore this line. Once you git push Heroku main, the code will be pushed to this instance, and then it will run for a little bit and download a bunch of stuff and download the packages and do all the cool stuff. And then it'll say it's ready at this link. So if you go to this link, look at that. It looks exactly the same as if we went to our local host and contacted the local server that we're running. But now this server is on a machine that you can access anywhere. And the machine can do cool things like multiply by 2, which is an endpoint that we made locally. So yeah. If you go into app.py and edit this file, you can add new endpoints if you like. Here are the endpoints that are available. / is just message it works. Here's multiply by 2 and a number, in which you can give a number. It'll take the number and then multiply by 2. And this allows you to send a post request and give an X and a Y, and then we'll multiply both of them and then return it. So yeah, you can add more of these and then put it on your Heroku and then access it wherever you want. Thank you for watching.